Good morning. We're doing a DPO AL4 gearbox, Peugeot 308, Citroën, Peugeot and Renault. DPO gearbox coming as a common problem. The car is jump in the gear D, switch ignition off, switch ignition on, and then car drive fine. When it go hot and then it state same problem. And if we diagnose the car, then you're gonna see it's automatic. We have to go in automatic, and then we're gonna see it's doing the communication. We have to go in diagnostic trouble code. You can see here P1167 pressure regulations fault differences reference value. This is the problem, common problem of this gearbox AL4, and if you have the problem is like that, you have to bring the car. And we are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and my phone number is 07402536382, and you can contact me anytime. We are in Hounslow, and my postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango. Hounslow Motors Ltd. You can check our review, and you can bring the car. We can solve your issue same day, and you can take your car back. Thanks for watching my video. You can see my review as well on Google, and you can book with me through WhatsApp, or you can call me and or email me, and you can send me the error code, and we can solve your issue. Thanks for watching my video.